Welcome again to Vintage Farmhouse Antiques on YouTube, where we show you the china being listed on our websites. And these two little pedestal footed egg cups are absolutely beautifully manufactured. Antique Coalport china. Design on these. We can't find a pattern reference or reference name for these, or a number on any pieces in the set that came. But you can see they're probably Japanese cranes or swans in this transfer printed design in this coral red. Show you the base with the Coalport crown marks. There we go. Pre-1890 marks there, no England or made in England reference. Lovely pattern on the base plates here. Just under 2 inches rim diameter, rib moulded on the lower 1/3 and then coming up into almost like a fluting on the top with slight scalloping on the rims, and then this beautiful thin gilt detailing around the edges. Just look at the glaze condition on these, absolutely fantastic. And the transfer on them, again, all in fantastic order. We've got only 2 of these going on catalogue. Never seen them before. Coalport egg cups, porcelain china from the 1880s. Incredibly rare. We have got a few other pieces coming through in different designs. We've got teacups, saucer and side plate, just one trio, some side plates and a small 12.25 inch serving tureen or dessert plate in the same design from Coalport, same dates. If you'd like to find out more about these, if you're a Coalport fan and would like to add them to your collection, follow the links below. It'll take you through to the Vintage and Antiques website, where all the details, measurements and detailed photographs and graphics are available for you to have a look and make your decision. Thanks for watching.